All right, I love this guy.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Auckland, New Zealand, weighing in at 228 pounds, Jay White.
I spoke with this superstar earlier. They predicted not only a win, but also, quote, a masterpiece in the ring.
Well, the WWE Universe seems to agree with that prediction.
Well, I, for one, can't think of an even more egotistical thing for any superstar to say. Are they aware that the match hasn't even started yet? Doesn't matter where or when he's competing, this guy just wants to fight, and he's about to get one.
Things are about to get good.
And his opponent from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, weighing in at 242 pounds, Adam Coachman.
If you listen to After the Bell this week, you know this is a match I've wanted to see for quite some time, and it's almost time to start. He's physically and mentally prepared for the task at hand in this big-time match.
And you can sense the anger emanating from the competitor tonight.
Eyes like a blazing fire. This is a man you don't want to be in front of right now.
He's a man possessed is what he is.
But he'll be facing off against someone who is trying to shut down all the naysayers. Someone ready to claim a spot at the top of our business.
Big knee to the midsection.
DDT plants them.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna see it.
Power. Sit out. Power bomb.
The power bomb's not meant to be pretty, but oh man, does it get the job done.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they don't want to be taking any more of those.
No way! Somersault plancha to the floor.
Took a massive risk, but it might have paid off.
And he gets delivered back into the ring.
Hooked up, and
DDT!
big forearm. DDT!
Shot after shot, then slamming their face down.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
He's getting up, but there's danger in front of him. Oh, look out.
Incredible diving clothesline.
Rolling neck snap.
Look at this heel hook. This is how you punish your opponent, and he's enjoying every minute of it. Got the leg and dropping the elbow right on the knee.
He's struggling a bit here.
Yeah, Cole, but at this point in the match, you still haven't lost the edge.
Thwarts the move by throwing an elbow into the midsection.
Ooh, that'll kill you over.
Uh-oh. What a takedown. Fujiwara armbar. Fujiwara armbar applied.
Focusing on a body part, picking it apart. The arm's as good of a place to focus as any.
Working the arm and then a kick right to the ribs. Look at this. Arm breaker. Put it in position now. Someone call a dentist.
Oh dear, this doesn't look good.
Alley-oop. And he goes for the pin. And he gets the shoulder up before two.
He's not letting fatigue set in or get the better of it. Big forearm.
Wrenching the arm. Driven all the way down for a European arm breaker.
He's executing on his...
Hey, you know what they say.
Going low. And this one might be headed ringside. He's got him in the crosshairs. Arm wringer in control. They're going to have to try to fight out of this. Body shots connecting. Big knee to the midsection. Kick to the gut.
Ooh, brutal forearm.
What grace. Float over the...
Float over. Nice. DDT.
Peeling their opponent off of the ground, hooking the leg. Fisherman's Buster. He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan.
Oh, disabling the leg with that.
Oh, foot just stomping down. Oh, God. He's in a little bit of trouble now.
This is where endurance becomes so important in the late stages of the match.
And returning to the ring.
The WWE Universe giving him an extra shot of adrenaline.
Moves outside. What's the plan here? What an incredible match we are witnessing. There he goes, right into the corner.
He's got the target acquired. Just a matter of...
Middle rope, missile drop kick.
Hit the target.
The end may be in sight for his opponent.
Lining it up. Gonna spear. But I put my money on that guy tonight.
Looking for the victory. 2 count. What in the world? How close was that?
That was about as close as it could get without it all being over for him.
What's the tally on how many times? No way. Somersault plancha.
That is tossing your own body around without a care.
Taking no account for their own well-being.
You have to respect these men for taking it to the next level. This one's becoming too close to call.
It's hard to predict how this one will end.
How's that for a counter?
As the leg trapped, fisherman suplex.
Just defenseless as the momentum is against him.
Yeah, he has to pull out some form of offense here.
And he gets set back into the ring. Taking this match off the mat now. Referee from the top. Elbow drop. Cover. 2. Stopping the ref's count at 2.
A long 2.5 in the waning moments of this match.
What grace! Float over to the DDT!
Okay, arm for a Fujiwara armbar.
Fujiwara armbar applied.
Arm control applied in him.
Working on the arm wringer. Oh, and a kick. That was nasty. Swinging reverse STO.
Nobody does it better.
Gosh, what a match.
Ooh, that hurt right to the kidney. Golly.
Man, earth-shattering. This could be the chance he was looking for.
2 count. That's it. The blood and sweat put into this match. Well worth it.
Here is your winner, Adam Coachman.
And with the results of this battle plain to see on their face, at least they can say they won the match.
You could tell this guy was fired up from the moment the bell rang.
He definitely had the motivational advantage in this match.